Kumam nyani? Bapa ni wewe basi. Mito kuona wewe honorable my brother, Zero, brother Okulo. Kede madam mere angewe ni Kumam. Kede organizing committees. Musicians are taking and the Japan. You don't know what I'm doing. You tell me, a boy in the sun. And when you get Robert Obote, I walk here, here.
Low power, low power off.
And I teach you more. I teach you more. MP, make a very mind constituency. One night you have to get a dunya poor. Yeah, they put you away until July, up to around 16 or 17. Look here, Yoke Ramkani, and Bino, Nua, Kenny, you are a I'm a little poor of what then a son of God, you would come out there, they take a marry of me. But I'm very happy that music is bringing the Kuma views together. Team obedient now, Neno, if you come up with a Neno, it's also meeting. I'm of TikTok. You TikTok, the one that you don't I see him always on Kumamgar. I always see him making comedy. And I always see him, and all of you, most of you actually have seen you there. Now, what I always see on TikTok are things that encourage me. One, it is the chart of Kumam culture. And at least every bit of function that happened in Kumam, I always see it on Kumam Gallery. So there are simple things that you keep doing. You do them jokingly. But these are things that are selling us. And now with music coming to Kampala, this one is even going to unite more Kumam together. And I'm assuring you that the broke Robert Innocent is going to be there. I will also be happy that Ada Kengno, Ada ini kata beres maluan ke maluan. Yang wana mo por sapoti u. Yes. Talents, oche koneno. Talents yo wana mo por penogi iu pro kowote. We shouldn't allow Kumam talents to die. And I've seen it. I've seen it with Angel Vince. I always see her on TikTok trying to advise Kumam in a different way. You know there is that video you have on TikTok. That one. So it is a way of telling people that Kumam exists and they are there. Yes, we are there. So, because of time, the Amate Yamato, Gano, Aroju, the Bamokilo,